everyone, namaste. I hope you're all doing well and are prepping for the festival season, the festivities that are just about to begin. In Sangi Sati Ke Tyohar, we've been trying to bring you things that you've never seen before, things that we've never seen before, and we're trying to curate and create things that make an experience for you even more memorable. This year, our aim for Sangi Sati Ke Tyohar was to create a range that was inspired by our memories of my grandparents, of my dada, of my nana nani, of my dada dadi, and just incorporate their ideologies and their thoughts into our collections and bring about collections that were unique and would just make you feel nice about your good old memories. So the collection we brought in today was Tijori, which was Ajrak Tassa silk saris. I thought I'll do a quick video and show you how these saris are to touch and feel. The sari I showed you today was this Madder Tassa silk Ajrak sari. You can see how lightweight it is. I hope it's very thin. It's paper light basically. The entire sari weighs about 200 grams, like I shared in the stories. You can see how beautiful the printing it is and how easily it can be draped. I'm wearing a cotton crop top, indigo and ajrak, and you see how beautifully it looks even on this. You don't have to go out all out and wear like a fancy blouse for this. The sari comes with a blouse piece. You can get that stitched if you like, but otherwise as well, the you can pair any of your existing blouses with this sari. So the key points I would like to focus on this sari is it's pure silk, and one thing about pure silk fabrics is the colors are much more muted in terms of pure silk. So whether you it's obviously just natural dyes. There are pure silk saris with chemical dyes and they look absolutely radiant and absolutely too bright, vibrant. But when it comes to natural dyes on pure silk fabric, they become very muted. So the madder that you see here is much more muted compared to the madder that you would see in a modal silk sari. So that's one thing about any color in pure silk. So I'll show you some other colors as well. This was meant to be a blue. You can see how it's turned out to be a steel gray, while the dye used is actually indigo. So pure silks, even karigars, when they're working for the first time with pure silks, they don't know how colors would react. So when a lot of you ask me about indigos, and if I tell you that this is an indigo, I know you're not going to believe me, but this was made by using indigo dyes. But with tussa, indigo reacts in this way and gives you this grayish sort of color. So there's this one gray and one black. It's also beautiful black. I love the blacks. um, you can see even the black in this is very muted, not muted but maybe like a charcoal black instead of the regular dark pitch black that you see in modals and cottons. It's got a purplish kind of hint to it because of the fabric. So all of these saris are full length, so 6.5 meters in length. They've got a 1 meter blouse piece, which you'll obviously have to get it made with the lining, and they're super comfortable to wear. You don't have to take any extra special care. The fact about pure silk is it lasts no matter how long you keep it for. If you take proper care, don't let it crease for too long, you keep changing the creases and all of that, the sari is going to last you forever. These are a part of our heirloom collection, where we wanted to introduce collections that you can pass on to your future generation, and make them value the crafts as much as we do, as much as I hope we can make our future generations do. So currently in our tussar range, we've only got 3 colors, which is the black, the steel gray, indigo, and the madder. We've got other designs as well, so I'll keep sharing them on the stories and the posts. But I really do hope this video helps you understand what tussar silk is and why the colors are so muted as compared to your regular other fabric saris. One thing people keep asking me is how to identify hand block print compared to screen prints, and I would really like to show you in these tussar silk saris itself. I hope it is clear. So if you can see over here, the print is very neat. Even on a light and thin fabric like this, you see the back side is completely different. You see it's duller, the lines are not as evident, and it's light and dark throughout. While on the right side, which is the correct side, you see that the print is more even. You'll obviously have these kinds of things where the lines are a little thicker as compared to the entire sari, and that's because of hand block print. Wherever the pressure is more, the lines are darker. Wherever the pressure is less, the lines are lighter. And so I really do hope you consider these saris as much of a treasure as we thought you would, and you like them as much as we do. And yeah, message us to order. Thank you.